Hello, good morning. Here I am again. So going to talk to you about long-term care, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to get tired talking about that because I am very, very passionate about sharing this information because it can happen to anybody. And I got all this pushback, and most of the time the pushback said, "Oh, I do not need long-term care because I'm still young." Well, here's the reality, my friend. Long term is not only for aging people. Long term can happen to anybody. Even how much excellent your health insurance, even if your health insurance is the best of the best, any health insurance for that matter does not cover long-term care. And I know, I've been in this industry for a while. Any health insurance not cover your long-term care at all. So long-term situation can happen to anybody, even to younger people. For example, someone at the age of 40, at the age of 50, have a stroke, had a heart attack. Do you think that person is not gonna be in a long-term care situation? Of course. The tendency of being in a long-term care is great. And here's the reality, my friends, that 70%, I would say over 70% of American, or I would just say people in the world, may need in some point in their life a long-term care coverage. And it's sad to know that most of those that have their family that take care of them, their family, their friends, are unpaid caregiver. And these people, these family members and these friends, they have also the life of their own. And it's not fair to put that burden to our children, to our grandchildren. So the key is preparation. So if you can prepare now, it is very important to have some kind of coverage in case if long-term situation hit you to the core. So again, they say, I cannot afford that. If you can afford all these apps in your phone and can afford insuring other stuff, your cell phone, your bag, buying and doing shopping and all that stuff, and buying all these branded things, then you can afford long-term care. You are talking about your own health. Your own health that is very, very important. So again, the key is preparation. Be open. Look at what you have and look what you needed to have. And I'll be happy to discuss the detail with you. I mean, you can click the bottom below to book an appointment with me, and I'll be happy to share what this type of long-term care that you can avail of and you can get and have it for yourself. And it will be my honor to sit down with you, and it will be a pleasure to give you those information. So again, don't forget to click that book an appointment or message me. I'll be happy to connect. You have a wonderful day.